Hello everyone, in this lecture we will see how to implement the structures using the pointers. So first we will see how to declare the pointer to the structure. So we all know that how to declare the structure, the struct keyword followed with the structure name, and it contains the structure member variables followed with the structure variable declared outside. Okay, so here I can declare n number of variables. So here I have declared a normal variable, variable 1, and the pointer variable 1. So how can I access the structure variable using the pointer? So we all know how to access the structure member using the dot operator. So using the pointer or pointer variable, how can I access it? So we have two types of syntax. One is using the dot and the another one is using the arrow. Using the dot operator, here I have specified the pointer variable inside the parenthesis. Why I need to do this? Because the dot has the highest precedence than the asterisk. So in order to specify this clearly, the entire pointer variable is a complete variable along with the pointer. So I need to provide the parenthesis here to access my member variable 1. Okay, there is another syntax using the arrow operator. Here we no need to specify the parenthesis. So we'll see some examples to understand how we can able to access the pointer structure members using the pointers. So here my first example is using the book. The book contains some of the um, contains a character name, that is the author name, the book name, and the call number. So here I am declaring the book variable called B1, and I am initializing the book variable B1 to let us see ABC 101, and I am declaring another pointer variable called pointer. So what I am doing here, I am assigning the address of the structure variable to the pointer. So again, I no need to initialize the pointer variable with the same same values what I have declared here. Directly I need to assign the address of the structure variable to the pointer. So how can I print the values? So here b1 dot name, b1 dot author, b1 dot call number. This is the actual variable that access the actual structure variable access the structure members. The next one is how we can access the access the members using the pointers. So here if you see pointer of name, pointer of author, and pointer of call number using the arrow operator. We'll see the example too. So here I have taken the example of dog. It contains a dog contain a name and it has some breed and age and it has a color. I need to declare variables. Okay, so here I have declared a normal variable called my dog, and I have initialized with the corresponding values, and again I am initializing one more pointer variable. I am assigning the address of my structure variable, normal structure variable, to this pointer variable, pointer dog. Okay, so how can I access this? So using the pointer variable, first what I need to do, pointer dog of name. Directly I can use the arrow. Okay, so when I am using the arrow, I no need to specify the bracket. Pointer dog breed, pointer dog age, pointer dog color. So all these things, all this printf statement will be printing this value because I have copied this value. These values will be present in this my dog. The my dog is the address of the my dog is copied to your pointer variable. Next, what I am doing, I am altering the name of the dog like Jack using the string copy, and I am incrementing the age of the dog. Okay, so I am printing it again. So let's see another example. So here I have taken the example of the student. I am going to calculate the total and the average of the subject marks he scored. Okay, the student contain has his name and what are the subject he has studied. So these are the variables I have taken. Okay, then I need to identify the average of all the subjects. Okay, then here what I am doing, here I have a structure called student, and inside the structure student I am having the another structure called average. So for structure student I am having the variables called student1 and the student pointer. For average I am having a structure variable called average. Okay, so how can I access the member variables? So suppose if I need to access the student structure variable with the average, means how can I access student 1 arrow avg dot subject 1. So this is how we used to access using the normal variable. But when it comes to the pointer variable, how can we do that? Here what I am doing, I am assigning the address of the structure variable to the pointer variable. Okay, and I am getting the input of the name. I am getting the subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 using the pointer, not using the ordinary normal variable. I am using the pointer. Okay, you may ask me, without this variable, only I am having the pointer variable. Can we access the variable, or can we get the input from the user? Yes, it is possible. Let's see this example. Okay, the same code I am using here. So what I am doing, so I am removing this student 1, and I am not assigning, sorry, I am not making any assignment. So what I am doing here also, I am not using the pointer. Instead, I am using like this. So nowhere I am using the student 1. So directly I can run and see. Yes, I can able to run the code successfully. Okay, so without assigning the normal pointer variable to the without assigning the normal variable address to the pointer variable, I can directly declare the pointer variable and I can access the member variables. Okay, so this is also one more example. So all the time you no need to sorry all the time you no need to perform this operation. So instead you can directly specify student pointer, so I can directly access it. Okay, so here I have show I am getting the name of the student. So this is one way of access getting the name of the student. And in this exam in this online GDB, in this way also you can get the name of the student like this using the arrow operator. This is using the dot operator, and I am getting the value of subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 from the user, and I am finding the total, and I am finding the average, and at last I am printing all the details of the student: average, subject 1, subject 2, and subject 3. Thank you.